Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jericho Lucilio and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel and if you like the content, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make steak and mashed potatoes with butter herbs. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make this dish is super simple. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. First, we're going to make mashed potato. In a large pot, cut 4 large russet potatoes, it depends on how many people you're going to serve, and cut them into chunks. Then add water just until it submerges all the potatoes. After that, season it with salt and boil them until they're nice and soft, but not dry. Okay, the potato is nice and soft, and now we can start mashing. First, discard the water, then add 2 big slices of butter, then mash it with a potato masher or with a fork. Season to taste. What texture we're looking for is a fluffy and smooth mashed potato. If you're probably wondering why I didn't add milk. So if you boil the potatoes perfectly, it's not necessary to add milk, you can just add butter. But if you overcook the potato, so that's the time you will add the milk and the butter together to make it nice and smooth. Once you made the mashed potatoes, now we can start cooking the steak. In this recipe, I'm going to use entrecôte steak. I highly recommend this part of steak because it's tender, juicy, and delicious. Okay, heat up your pan to high heat and heat it up until it's screaming hot. Once your pan is screaming, by the way that's a joke, drizzle a little olive oil, then lay your steak into the pan, and also don't forget to season it with salt and pepper both sides. Now it all comes down to the doneness of the steak. I'm gonna cook this steak medium well because I'm a medium well person, so the cooking time is 3 minutes each side. Three minutes later, flip the steak and cook it for another 3 minutes. Would you look at that golden brown crust? Isn't it mouth-watering? The other side has been cooking for 2 minutes, so that means we have a minute left to take it out of the pan. At this point, go ahead, add your butter and thyme, then wait until the butter has melted. Once the butter looks like this, start basting it for more flavor. After that, set it on a plate and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now the final step is to plate it. A moment of silence. This is by far the best steak and mashed potato with butter herbs you'll ever make. Well, there you go, my friends. That is how you make steak and mashed potatoes with butter herbs. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!